So it's a little bit dark, but I'm gonna break this up into 3 days. Day 1 for me is done. The cushions are out, the top and bottom. I ended up pulling a bunch of these brackets and stuff out, so that's all done. Day 2 will be taking cardboard and then building the seats out of cardboard. And then day 3 we'll be going to the store. We'll grab aluminum, felt, and glue, and then we'll kind of trace the cardboard on the aluminum, cut it that way, and then glue down some kind of like felt material like this stuff down, so it just looks a little bit nicer. I think I'm gonna go around the wheel well. I don't think I'm gonna mess with this. If anything, I'll probably just paint it black so it doesn't stick out like a sore thumb, but day 1 is done. All right, cardboard's pretty much done. I still have to do a strip back here, which I'll just tape on there, but this, I don't think it's gonna be bent. I think it's gonna be a little bit more flat, but that's basically the gist of it. So now what we'll do is we'll go to Lowe's and buy these same sheets of aluminum, and then we'll go to a Michael's and buy some spray adhesive, and then I'm thinking something either like this or like a carpet liner, and then I'll have the wife help me glue that all down and then put it in. So this is end of day 2. All right, so quick update. This piece is in the kitchen. It's drying. We ended up moving it to the kitchen floor versus the table just to have it like the full length, be able to press down, and then I just used like cans of random food to kind of weigh it down. But this is kind of what the top's gonna look like. You can see it's not really the straightest, but I should be able to tuck this underneath the package tray, so it shouldn't really matter. I just use this little ear to kind of cover that. That should be fine. And then I'm gonna use, I bought like a 2x2 piece. I'm gonna cut the edges off and then, do on that side here. In here, I'll cut those as like little ears to help cover that. So it's fairly hard to see, but you can see the line here, right here, and right here. So like from here to here and here to here will be the ears. So I'll go ahead and cut those. I'll let the bottom piece finish gluing. And then I'm gonna start taking all this stuff inside. I'll line it up, I'll glue it, I'll wait for it to dry, and then maybe like 2 hours or so, we'll bring it back outside and hope it lines up. Is pretty much done. All we have left to do is weigh them and then figure out how to mount them in the car. But if you guys want to recreate something like this, I got the idea off of a girl on YouTube. Her name is Reckless Raquel. She has a Camaro that she bought these for. I don't have the money that she spent on them, so I figured I'd try and make them. They're pretty good, honestly. They came out a little bit better than I thought they were going to. But I think I paid like 90 bucks for the aluminum, which I didn't use this one, so I'll return that. So we'll call it like 70 because they're kind of expensive. I think I paid 15 bucks for the material and then like another 15 bucks for the spray adhesive. If you're trying to do something similar to this, maybe buy 2 cans of adhesive, because I did go through the 1 can that I did buy. And I kind of had to skimp out right at the end on some of the glue. So like I said, 2 cans wouldn't hurt. It was only a couple bucks, but it came out pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and weigh these and then figure out how to put them in the car. At the end of this video, I'll do the weight comparisons to see how much I saved. I already weighed those seats, but honestly, I think they came out pretty good. I'm pretty happy about it. So I'm gonna weigh all this and I will tell you and show you what the difference is. I'm not getting rid of it because we do use the car to haul around the family from time to time. But it would be nice on a track day or something to get rid of a couple extra pounds. So this is the seats, the brackets, all the bolts and everything. What we'll do is we'll take this, we'll put it on the scale, and then we will compare it to our end product for the seat deletes. To a good start because I had to go get my food scale because my actual scale will not register these. So let's just call that 6.5.